We now return to William Wehrli's The Kitchen. Where's the milk? We're out of milk. Are you sure? Pretty sure. Walk with me. I want you to get some milk. Now? Right now. No, what store? Any store. Here. Now? Right now. Hey guys, thanks so much for tuning in. It's William Wehrli here, your average autistic adult, here to guide you through my journey of how I go about being an independent autistic human being. Today I'm going to go ahead and just kind of talk you through my life in the kitchen. Now, depending on what your goal weight is, and it's always a good idea to measure and track your food for when you incorporate that into your daily meals. I like to use a food scale here for whenever I am measuring food. This measures food in ounces, and so I can take out how many chicken breasts that I want to have in my meal, put them on top of the food scale, and track that. So a serving of chicken breast, according to the nutrition facts in the bag, it is 4 ounces, and according to the food scale here, we got 13.3. So let's see. And each serving of a chicken breast is 23 grams. So let's see. 4 divided by 13 divided by 4, I mean that's close to 3, so 3 times 23, that is what? Over 60 grams of protein. Woohoo! Yahoo! Protein means just gotta let the chicken defrost a little bit before I put it on the pan. Now while I got the chicken defrosting in the microwave, I can go ahead and multitask by doing a few other chores inside the kitchen. The sink is filled with disgusting water and dishes, so it would be kind of nice to get rid of some of those. I don't have a specific organizational style for when it comes to loading dishes in the dishwasher. I just wash them, clean them, scrub them, and then put them in the dishwasher. As they fit, run it. There are reasons why you should not put cleaning tasks off to the last minute, especially when it comes to cleaning the kitchen. I got this spot on the counter here that is just absolutely impossible to scrub, and it's going to take a long time to do so. Alright, chicken is defrosted. Let's do this. Well, I got a little bit of free time while I'm waiting for the chicken to cook on the stove. What shall I do during that free time? I know. That was like, a quick 10-minute ab workout. If you follow any Pamela Reif's workout videos, she does these 10-minute workouts for abs, and they're so amazing, and brutal too, and effective. You can do them anytime, anywhere. Chicken is just about finished. There's just some pink in it. An important rule for when it comes to having a good balanced meal is to make sure you include your veggies. When it comes to eating meals, is make sure that half your plate is filled with veggies, the other half with whatever you want. In my case, the chicken. A good rule of thumb for when it comes to having dinner is that you want half your plate to be filled with veggies and then the other half to be filled with whatever you want. And I also love the great value products that they sell at Walmart too. They're such a great price too and so healthy. Now earlier I talked about how it's important to track your food throughout your daily life. Now you might be wondering, how do I track my food? I have this app on my phone from First Form called My Transformation. And so within that app, you can scan the barcode of any food product that you pick up from a store and then input the exact measurements. So earlier I mentioned that I measured about maybe, I can't remember how much, but chicken breast that I put on the food scale. So all I gotta do is put that amount into the app and then it will save it. And that's how I log my food throughout the day. Alright, let's go ahead and dice these babies up. This is far from perfect from dicing up the chicken, but it is still edible and still delicious. Yes, I put my veggies on the same pan that I used to fry the chicken with. I think that's actually a good step because I'm having a meal that requires both chicken and veggies. So I kind of like to have that chicken taste mixed within the veggies. By the way, just a side note, aside from just a side note that has nothing to do with cooking, but it is extremely important to stay hydrated. I like to drink about, a gallon of water a day. Last ingredient is great value Alfredo sauce. Love chicken Alfredo. It's so addicting to me in my opinion, but we gotta think of a more healthier way of doing that doesn't require me to use all the starchy ingredients from the noodles. So chicken, veggies, and Alfredo. I can't moonwalk very well, but if you got a good music playlist to listen to while you're cooking in the kitchen, don't be afraid to have fun while you're cooking. I mean, what's the point of cooking if you can't enjoy it? Yums Yums is ready. And to finalize it is my good friend, the Parmesan cheese. Alright, well now I am going to kick back, relax, and tolerate with him. Rossi, you got into the trash. And watch Netflix and enjoy my meal.
There you go. You can have something to snack on.
Thank you all so much for tuning in on my daily life. Please be sure to subscribe, leave a comment, give me a thumbs up. Any suggestions, that you would like to see from me, please reach out to me, and please excuse my horrible dialect. I can't even talk.